Technology leads innovation, and energy drives the future. Clean energy is an inevitable trend of global low-carbon transformation. Batteries, as the main carrier of new energy, are the important support for achieving carbon peak and carbon neutrality goals. TIANYI Power empowers with science and technology, builds momentum for the future, and leads green development with scientific and technological innovation. Hebei TIANYI Electric Appliance Company Limited, as a dreamer of the times, has been in the industry for more than 20 years. Deep scientific research cooperation with Tianjin University and other universities obtained dozens of patents. The company has passed 3 management system certifications. Our products have passed UL CE certification. From a participant in the lead-acid battery industry, TIANYI Power and sets a new benchmark for the battery industry. Only the visionary has a future. Our company has set up an independent R&D center and an experienced professional R&D team to provide customers with many new battery products and industry solutions. TIANYI Power has 6 lead-acid battery assembly lines, 4 of which are small series battery production lines, and 2 of which are medium series battery production lines, and a monthly production capacity of more than 150,000 kVAh. TIANYI Power has more than 100 sets of advanced equipment, such as automated plate wrapping machine, automated casting welding machine, automated dispensing machine, and automated packaging line, 2,800 tons of battery plate monthly production, international continuous casting and rolling, automated battery plate production equipment to ensure uniform technical standards of battery products. TIANYI Power lead-acid batteries are widely used in solar systems, security systems, UPS power supplies, electronic weighing instruments, power tools, and other fields. And other products are exported to international markets such as Europe, America, the Middle East, and Southeast Asia, and are well received. On the basis of leading the field of lead-acid battery industry, TIANYI Power is committed to R&D of lithium battery new energy and is making continuous progress in promoting the development of new energy and promoting new changes in a better life of mankind. TIANYI Power, with receptive and humble attitude, is full of new vigor and vitality. Innovative technology, long-lasting endurance. TIANYI Power.